So I would like to take you through the process of washing this my curly wig. This hair, I was already tired of it because it was looking like sponge, like I don't even know what to do with it. So I watched a video on how to wash your curly hair because I didn't know anybody around to give it to. So I had to soak it in conditioner. This after I've soaked it in a conditioner, and they said you have to put it in a nylon bag. So this is me putting it in a nylon bag for almost 3 days. We leave it there for 3 days. So this is when I brought it out from the nylon bag. Then you have to comb it, remove all the shed. So this is the quantity is shed off. Then I had to wash it with a Treseme shampoo and then use miracle conditioner on it. So this is after I've washed it. So this is the look after I've washed it. Then I had to air dry it. So after air drying it, this is the look after it has dried. You don't dry it with hand dry, you just leave it so that the air can dry. So this is the air dried look. It's a picture of the air dried look. This is how it's looking. So the changes are coming in. So this is me trying to set the hair. I was using my dummy and then I'm doing it strand by strand like the way they sewed it. I'm using a leave-in conditioner to style the hair. So this is me still on the process of styling the hair strand by strand. See that there's a difference now. So this is the front of the hair. I'm going to do it carefully because this front of the hair I've not been really taking care of it. So this is the finished look. Wow, see the way it's looking. There's no comparison between this hair now and then the first hair that I showed you. You see why it's good to always maintain your curly hair. Once it's a good hair, whenever you wash it, it might look rough in the beginning, but whenever you wash it and use a good product in it, is going to appear very beautiful. So you see how beautiful and charming this hair is looking. Like I can still sell this hair now like a new hair. See how beautiful it is looking. So thank you so much. Enjoy. Look at the strand, look at the face, because they're 5x5. So this is me rocking it to church. I was feeling myself like, see, fine girl now. Please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Bye.